Welcome to the Ultimate Steak Masterclass. Today, we're exploring everything from the leanest cuts to the most luxurious global favorites. Here we introducing you from the delicate tenderloin to the dramatic tomahawk. Before we dive into the cuts, tell me in the comments, which steak is famous in your country? Let's kick things off with the top 5 most celebrated steak cuts and the best way to prepare them. First, the tenderloin, or filet mignon. It is ultra tender and lean. The classic preparation is a butter-based, serving it with peppercorn sauce and mash. Next, the ribeye. Known for being rich, marbled, and incredibly juicy. Use a high-heat sear and pair it with garlic butter and grilled vegetables. The sirloin offers a balanced, cost-effective option. Aim for medium doneness and serve with a mushroom sauce and fries. The T-bone combines the striploin and tenderloin. It needs even cooking, so flip it regularly. Pair it with chimichurri and a fresh salad. Finally, the tomahawk steak, a true luxury showpiece. Use a reverse sear method and serve it with garlic herb, butter, and jus. Now let's take a culinary journey to explore famous steak cuts from around the world. In the USA, the New York strip, or striploin, is a classic steakhouse favorite. It has a firm texture, bold beef flavor, and is easy to cook at home. What's your pick? Striploin versus ribeye. From Argentina, the flank steak is lean and packed with strong beef flavor. It's best served with chimichurri, and remember to slice it against the grain. In Italy, the Bistecca alla Fiorentina is a thick, large T-bone style steak. It's simply grilled with minimal seasoning, just olive oil and salt. Do you prefer simple seasoning or heavy sauces? From Japan, the Wagyu steak offers extreme marbling and a buttery softness. Use minimal seasoning and a high-heat quick sear for these small, luxurious portions. Have you ever tried Wagyu? Yes or no? Now that you know your cuts, let's talk about the chef's rule for sauces. Match the sauce to the steak. This quick chef rule ensures balance in every bite. For lean cuts like tenderloin, you want a rich sauce to complement it, such as peppercorn or mushroom sauce. Conversely, for fatty cuts like ribeye, choose lighter sauces such as chimichurri or a simple herb butter. Remember, balance is everything. Now let's make this truly global and connect with steak lovers everywhere. Comment below. Which steak is famous in your country? What is your favorite cut? And what sauce do you prefer? I reply to every country.